Hey, I think I did it. I finally turned the time lapse off because that was seriously bugging me. I wasn't able to record anything. So there we go. Um, so actually, let me summarize. Um, Came down to FAMU-FSU College of Engineering to check out their Dow Chemical partnership. They just received funding uh, to work on a big project with Dow, and they invited the top students around the country, chemical engineer, seniors that are graduating, to attend the 2-day event. They're going to do some presentations, and I'm here with the top chemical engineering students from Howard University. Uh, so let's see how the day goes.